The right atria will point towards the spine. So let's say my baby's here, here's my spine, here's my heart. The right atria is going to open up this way. The left, the LVOT will open up this way.
You just pivoting?
Pivoting. Okay, I'm clockwise, counterclockwise. If I get lost, I go back to my 4-chamber heart. Okay, and those are the views, and now we have to do extremities. Okay, so I'm going to do the right upper extremities because my right side is closest to the transducer. Then I'm going to go ahead and do my right lower extremities. I'm going to use my dual function for my imaging. I'm going to put my femur on one side and my tib-fib on the other side. I'm going to put my humerus on one side and I'm going to put my radius and ulna on the other side. So I have one image for a whole extremity. Okay? Then I'm going to start working on the one furthest from the transducer because that's going to take me a little bit more time. Okay? I'm just showing you ways to speed up your exams. Okay? Then I'm going to do my left upper extremity and I'm going to do my right lower extremities. It doesn't matter what order you put it in, just make sure they're all together. I'm not going to do a right upper extremity after I do my kidneys. You're going to develop your own system. Some sonographers start at the head and go all the way down. Myself, I look at everything internal. If my spine is up, I'll do my spine first. Okay? So, when I do my spine, do all of your transverses and all of your sagittals together. Don't go transverse, sagittal, transverse, sagittal, transverse, sagittal. I'm going to do C-spine, T-spine at the level of the heart, L-spine at the level of the kidneys, and S-spine. I'm going to get that nice little point. Okay, so the images will look like this. Okay, I'm going to have little triangles, little teepees. Okay, the younger they are, I'm just going to see the dots. Okay, for my sagittal, I'm going to look at the base of the skull. How many are there? 7. Railroad tracks. So I'm not on this side of the spine. I'm not on this side of the spine. I'm right parallel with the spine. Because we can tell if you're to one side or the other because it makes that side brighter and it kind of, because of physics, it makes it look like one hyperacoulic bone. Okay, so railroad tracks. T-spine. L-spine. 5 of those. S-spine. You have to make sure you have that nice little point. Okay? If you don't have this point, there's something wrong with the baby. Okay. Now, while we're also doing the spine, we're also looking at the skin level. Okay? Because there might be a myelomeningocele where the spinal cord is outside of the body. And then we're done. A lot. Okay. So, I'm gonna leave early, cause y'all have a test at what time? 10:15?
10:10.
10:10? Okay. I'll leave and let y'all do that, because be sure you read that chapter, because it goes into more detail in those boxes. The display 14.1, it tells you about the guidelines. There's more towards the back. And because we're mandated what we have to take pictures of. Like the different programs, the different imaging locations, they have accreditations that we have to follow. Okay? So we're gonna build you up so you can do all of this in less than 30
Don't
minutes.
you know all this?
Yeah, you need to read all that.
So the protocol for the first trimester different from the second trimester.
Correct.
But second and third the same.
It's the same. Second and third trimester is the same protocol. We don't give you that because right now, you're just basics.
Because it's the third technicians, he mad because the first one for patients is the gestation is 17 weeks. So he's mad. When I ask him, he say I can't do protocol for the second trimester.
Correct. Because they're too small.
Yeah.
We can't see anything. We try to give them what we can, but you know, it's an incomplete exam. Because we can't see the heart. The cord plexus is still too big because the baby's not grown enough, because the lateral ventricles don't change size. It's the baby's head that changes size. So in that first trimester, it looks like the lateral ventricle and the cord plexus, which makes our spinal fluid, is massive. It takes up the whole part of the brain. It's because the head hadn't gotten big enough yet. Okay? Y'all have any questions before I leave that y'all study? Y'all are all clear? So if I have y'all come to the board, y'all can do the protocol.
So Wednesday, be a chapter or we review for the chapter again next Wednesday?
Review for the chapter again.
Okay.
I'm gonna try my best to stick to protocol, stick to the syllabus. I need to go get some